For over a century, institutional traders maintained a distinct edge by paying $25,000 a year for Bloomberg terminals. This cost created a structural barrier between the professionals and the public. The Gemini-powered Deep Search update changed this model by running hundreds of searches simultaneously. It synthesizes data across global markets in minutes, performing the multi-step aggregation that previously required a dedicated research team. We will use this architecture to generate a comprehensive options and leverage positioning report, applying institutional research workflows to retail tools. This report identifies the max pain price, the specific node where market makers carry the least financial liability. We will use AMD and its 2x leveraged ETF, AMDL, to track these positioning walls. Success in this environment is no longer defined by simply owning the data. It is defined by knowing which specific questions to ask the AI to reveal the underlying market mechanics. Start by logging into your Google account and navigating to the Google Finance Beta settings menu. Select Dark Mode. This adjusts the UI to a high-density data environment designed to mimic professional trading terminals. For the AI to function as a research assistant, you must enable session continuity. This allows the system to reference multiple threads of inquiry across different devices. Without this enabled, the AI cannot retain context. It will treat every prompt as an isolated event, preventing you from building a complex analysis of the options chain. Go to your account settings and toggle Web and App Activity Tracking to On. This configuration shifts the platform from a retrieval-based model to a back-end architecture optimized for generative vector processing and active knowledge synthesis. We will use a master prompt template to structure the report. Open this in a text editor so we can configure the variables. We need to replace these bracketed placeholders with specific data markers for our target stock. When identifying the ticker, you must use the exchange:-ticker syntax. For our example, type NASDAQ:-AMD to ensure the AI pulls from the primary exchange data stream. This syntax acts as a filter, preventing the AI from scraping unverified news, focusing instead on raw price action. Next, insert the leverage ticker, AMDL. Explicitly state the 2x leverage factor so the AI correctly calculates the mathematical relationship with the underlying stock. Conclude the prompt by specifying the upcoming Friday expiration date. This focuses the analysis on the current weekly option cycle. This structured approach provides mechanical guardrails for the AI, ensuring the output is based on quantitative parameters rather than generic predictions. In finance, acting on a hallucinated data point can result in immediate capital loss. You must verify the findings before executing any trade. Locate the Research Plan module at the bottom of the panel. The AI includes clickable citation numbers for its findings. Clicking the max pain citation routes you back to the source material to cross-reference the AI's math against the raw matrix. Then use interactive digging by asking follow-up questions in the same thread to investigate specific delta hedging risks. This transparency provides the auditable baseline required to utilize generative tools for professional financial research. As we approach Friday expiration, market maker hedging obligations increase. To remain delta neutral, liquidity providers must buy or sell the underlying stock as its price moves, which often stabilizes the asset at the strike price with the highest open interest. In this environment, avoid using market orders. In high volatility windows, market orders hand liquidity to institutional algorithms that thrive on execution latency. Set precise limit orders at or near the max pain node identified in your report. This chart illustrates the convergence toward the max pain node. As the clock nears 4 p.m., market maker rebalancing flows often drive the price toward the strike that will minimize the total payout to option buyers. After reviewing your report, click the thumbs up or thumbs down buttons to help refine the AI's future accuracy and functional logic. By integrating synthesized intelligence with the mechanics of options theory, you can now analyze international capital markets with the depth previously reserved for institutional traders.